Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make professional product photo with Pippit AI without any editing skills. Pippit AI is one AI tool that will help you create beautiful product visual fast, even if you don't know how to design. First, just open the Pippit AI website. I already put the link in the descriptions and pinned comment, so you can just click it from there. And then next just tap, and then next you will taken to the homepage like this. And then next just click on product photo, this one, just click on it. And then next just upload your product photo on here. You can just take it from a set or maybe product photo from your e-commerce, and then you can also upload from your device. In here I want to upload from my device like this, and like this. And then in here you have several options. You can choose a ready-made background preset on here. They're available on Pippit AI. And then you can also create a scene using a custom prompt. You can write your own prompt, or you can also generate the prompt automatically through the Pippit AI. Just click on the recommend a background, this one, and then the Pippit AI will automatically make a prompt like this. Or you can also use a reference image from another product photo that you can upload or that you have. And this time I'm going to use the prompt method. In here I want to write a prompt that I already prepared before. The settings are ready, just tap on generate. It will use 2 credits. Just click on generate. Like this, you will get the 4 results like this, but unfortunately in my case the one of them couldn't generate successfully, but I still get the 3 results like this. You will see the results. I think the result is so good like this. Next you can just download the results that you want. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.